Hello, my love. Can't believe this is it. And I can't believe you made me wait so long. Just kidding. I knew it. Thank you for being the most patient, understanding, loving person ever. You are the calm my soul needs. I promise to be the best version of me, to be someone that can make you proud to be with, and to continue loving you from now until forever. So I'll see you later, and there better be tears running down your face. Just kidding, I know there will be. I love you, Karla. Aw, thanks, Mag.
To my dear Karla, my loves, my princess, and forever my baby girl, we're finally here. I know I have made you wait for this, but I must say this moment with all our friends and family with us is pretty darn perfect. I'm happy to offer my life to you. From this moment on, you will be my #1 priority. I've told you before that I truly believe that my life's purpose is to make you happy. Our celebration today only further supports that. I commit myself to you. I will always and forever be here for you. I hope that you enjoy this token to the start of our new life together. I can't wait to see you at the end of the aisle. My hanky is ready. Dapat lang. I love you, Kevin.
I searched through the earth for something that could satisfy. Peace for the hurt I had buried deep inside. Knees on the floor, I finally found everything I needed. You lifted my soul and opened up my eyes. And I never knew anything was forever till I found, I never dreamed anything could be better till I found you, You're rewriting my story, and I'm brand new like a morning glow. I never knew anything lasts forever till I found you, till I found you, till I found you, till I found you, till I found you. I never knew anything lasts forever till I found you, till I found you. I never dreamed anything could be better till I found you, till I found you. You're rewriting my story, and I'm brand new like a morning. Oh, I never knew anything lasts forever till I found you, till I found you, till I found you, till I found you.
As you go for your marriage, I invite you to look at your parents, the wonderful people in your life, and fill your hearts with gratitude. You can only say, Mom, Dad, thank you for what we are, what I am today, because of your many love, sacrifices, and even struggles. But you made it. You are God's wonderful blessing.